Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let's talk about the Greg's app. Now, how does it work? Now, first of all, make sure to download the Greg's app from the App Store or Google Play Store. And once you have installed, go ahead and open the app like so. Go ahead and sign up or create an account using your Apple or Google account. And then after signing in, you'll land on the home screen. Now on the home screen, you should be able to see the rewards section right here, where if you go ahead and collect a certain amount of items based on the categories, you can go ahead and get them for free. Say for example, right here in the drinks and snacks, I only need to collect one more for me to be able to get a free drink on the next purchase. Now there are some other deals right here as well at the bottom, and this is where you can go ahead and take a look at the menu section. You can find the nearest shop as well as clicking and collect so that you can order ahead of time for you to get your item. Now in the menu section, you should be able to see all of the different categories like breakfast, savory baked sandwiches, and more, as well as being able to get all of the nutritional information before ordering. Now to place an order, what you need to do is to go into click and collect right here, and then just go ahead and select the closest or nearest Greg's shop that you want to, and then just go ahead and click on collect. Now in here, you can go ahead and choose a time slot, either today, tomorrow, or the upcoming few days, and then just go ahead and click right here. Now in here, you can go ahead and confirm your slot, and then you can go ahead and continue with your ordering. Now at the checkout, when you are ordering, you can pay securely with debit or credit card, or even use your Google or Apple Pay if it's set up on your phone. Once the payment is confirmed, you will get your order number, which you can go ahead and present when you arrive in the shop. Now, one of the best features of the Greg's app is the rewards themselves. As I've mentioned, you will be able to collect stamps and get free items like free drinks after buying a few coffees. And also, when you have set your actual birthday, you can also get a free donut and exclusive app-only deals. Now to do this, make sure that you are using your QR code right here whenever you pay in the shop itself or when ordering online. You can go ahead and click on scan right here to collect your rewards. You have to go ahead and scan this at the Greg's till before paying for your order. And finally, in the wallet section, you can go ahead and top up the balance of your Greg's account, so that this is where you can go ahead and use this to pay for your amounts itself. So you are able to go ahead and add in your Greg's wallet the amount that you want if you want to go ahead and use this. And there you go. Make sure to always check the Greg's app for any exclusive meals or deals for you to use exclusively for account members. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.